Hello everyone, today I will show you how to maintain or how to install the water purifier at home. So I have consent drinking water purifier here, and they have 4 layer inside the box as you can see in the video, and I can install extra 2 layer for the filter. So this is my first layer, and as you see that because the quantity of the water have a lot of quantity, so it become red. This one I filled the water very hard work because I use for the laundry machine, and I connect from laundry machine to the water filter for drinking. But luckily I have another layer for the drinking water purifier. So right now I use the tool to open the first filters, but before open we have to close the valve. Alright, so I already closed the valve, and I will turn it to the left to open the plastic cap, so the little basket that is cover the filters. So we remove it, and as you can see it, the filter is become red. This one is half in the market. If you don't want to clean, you just go to the market and you can buy it. It's just about $2 or $3 for this one, just replace it. But for me, I don't replace it. I have to clean it at least a few times until it becomes red that I cannot remove it. So we can use the clean water to remove the red point by using the pressures, the water pressure, to push it away. So right now I'm starting to clean process. I will remove the red point, the dirt point, and let's see how can I clean this one. And I sell $2 or $3, but I may buy it next maintenance, because if we just clean it at the quality of the water, it will be dropped. Actually I use the clean water already from the government, but when I use this filter it still see something dirty, so I use 2 extra layer for my water purifier, and this layer for laundry as well. So it is very hard job. So make sure you clean the basket. Clean the basket. If you have a shampoo, you can apply some shampoo, and don't forget to put this one back, because this is the rubber that can proof the water. If you don't put this one, the water will leaking from this when you install it. So you have to put it back carefully and just screw it, turn it to the right to reinstall, and you use the tool to make sure it's firm enough and the water is not leaking. Open the valve to see how it proof the water or not. If not proof, you have to redo again to make sure you install it properly. Okay, so as we can see that the water is not leaking, and this one is still clean because this is the last layer. And if we do this, so the Water purifier, it will long life. It won't spoil soon. If you don't put the extra filter, all of the red dirt, it will come into your water purifier, and you have to change the filter very soon. It is very expensive. So right now you can drink the water because it is safe for drinking already. So as you can see, you install as the instruction input output, and this is the output water. This is the last result. So I have drink many time already, so this one is very safe to drink the water, and the taste is similar to the water, to the brand water at the market. So I will show you if the water clear or not. So because of the light is a bit dark, so I can show you the clear water enough for you to see, but however I will drink it for you to see. Okay, so you can see I will drink it to finish a glass, and the taste is very good. Thanks for watching. Bye.